Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have to tell you once again how blessed I am. I have Happy Mail. I have a Happy Mail from Scotland. I'm so excited. The doll community on YouTube and Instagram is such a loving atmosphere, and I love that. And I want to thank each one of you personally for the friendship you have extended to one another and the lovely comments that you leave on our videos. Honest to God, I really appreciate it. Let's open this. Who doesn't love Happy Meal? I want to be very careful. You know, I'm going to tear this carefully. Carefully. Looks like I'm good. Okay. There's more here. Let's see what a cool card. What a very cool card. Marna, I hope you and Darren are well. Here's the nylon cord I mentioned. Should be enough for a good few customs. I've also included a couple of Blythe shirts. I was trying out embroidery, different ways of facing lining them, so used it as an excuse to send you some fun. Please excuse my very dodgy embroidery text. I need more practice. This is from Beth Ramsden. I doubt there's anything dodgy in here. Beth is unbelievably amazing with her quality of arts and crafts and seamstress. She's the benchmark. She's the absolute benchmark. Thank you for all the wonderful videos and collabs. I'm having the best time with all of our lovely group. Take care, Beth. Look at this beautiful card. That is just gorgeous. This cord can be used. Darren and I could not find this here, not even online. This can be used for Blythe doll pulls, and I'm pretty sure, don't you think that's Chatty Cathy size? Mm-hmm. And I can't tell you how much I appreciate that, because that is a very huge deal. And then there are two little things wrapped up. Creative Day little sticker. Oh my good. Oh, wait till you see. Look at this. Oh, Beth, that is amazing. And it's got two snaps on the back. I want to show you the quality of work that Beth Ramsden does. Isn't that lovely? Oh my goodness, she is amazing. That is the coolest. Dolls Rescued. And this one says Craft Day. At my house, that's about every day. Oh, wow. This is a long sleeve. Let me scoot this down. This is a long sleeve shirt. Oh, no, not exactly, but how cool is that beautiful embroidery work? Look at these sleeves. They're so tiny, and they're all finished and beautiful and nice. And again, two snaps on the back. I'm going to open this and show you again. Beth is amazing. She does have a shop on her website, bethramsden.com. And if you buy anything from Beth, you are buying quality. I mean quality. Thank you, Beth. I am thrilled. This is absolutely gorgeous. Make no mistake. This just really tickles my fancy. The cord, I can't thank you enough. That is really going to come in handy with, like I said, not only the Blythe doll pull strings, but I'm pretty sure that'll work for the Chatty Cathy dolls. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. We're going to leave a link below for Beth's channel, and from there you can also go to her website and see the items that she has for sale. It's amazing. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.